Right, you join me today, heading to Llanidloes in mid Wales to pick up some shelving, because I'm taking your comments on board, people. You want me to have a tidier garage. I think I would like me to have a tidier garage, and I've been offered some free shelving, so I'm going to go and collect it. So there we go, I have shelving. This is a very exciting development. Someone who's been clearing out their garage and has very kindly passed them on for absolutely £0. It's enormous. I mean, that's about 7 foot, so should be plenty of storage there. The only question is, where am I going to put it in the garage? It's going to prove very difficult to try and tidy up the garage enough to get the shelving in to tidy up the garage while the two cars are in it. So yeah, watch this space. Unbelievably, I've spent an hour, or perhaps even a bit more, tidying up so far, and it's still horrendous in here. This is all stuff to keep. I'm hoping this will find its way onto the shelving, which I'm hoping will fit in this gap. I think I'm going to have to move this existing unit, which is rubbish. It's got loads of slats on it, so everything keeps falling through it. So I'm going to clear this, which should be entertaining, and then probably move it over there, and maybe I'll even fill in the gaps with some board or something like that. Right, if we come over here, I have got one shelving unit which I've salvaged from upstairs. I think we took it out of this house. There was a fitted bedroom when we turned up. So that's why it's got a mirror in it. But already that is proving useful for stashing drive shafts, batteries and other assorted junk. Still got that massive air pile there to sort out. So yeah, temporarily Project Invacar is on hold while I wait for bits, so I might as well try and get things in order. I mean, it's amazing the stuff I've found, like these bolt extractors. I didn't even know I had. They're designed to sort of grip rounded bolts and get them out. Well, I don't even know if they work, but at least now I've found them, I can try. Right, I better, oh, keep going dark. I better crack on. This interim stage looks even worse, but I've got an awful lot of plastic containers to throw out, lots of cardboard, and also lots of stuff that needs to stay, that needs to go on the new shelving unit, which isn't yet here. I'm going to get rid of this one, at least temporarily. I want that to live over there, and we'll see where we're at then. So all this work, and it just looks more chaotic than ever. Ugh, tidying up. This is your fault. Well, the Honda has once again proved itself very practical. These lengths are getting on for 7 foot. So because I can fold the seats flat front to rear, I can quite easily get it in, no bother. And the shelf units themselves, they're about 6 foot, and there's a big piece of plastic. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with a big piece of plastic, to be honest. And there you go, shelving in place and already starting to fill up, so I can start moving some of this crap. Look at this, there's all the auto glim and the Rain-X and everything. Yeah, start moving everything back on here. You'll notice I've fitted boards at the back. That's to stop stuff rolling off down the back, because that irritates me. But this is a really nice height for working as well, actually, so I might well do that. There's random 2CV rear lights acting as oddment trays, all kinds of stuff. That's some matte black BMW paint that I use for wiper arms. It isn't quite right. A little supply of 2CV oil filters, some screws and nails from when we removed the flooring in the house, finally coming in useful. Spare 2CV coil, I don't think it works. Some Avon Skin So Soft, which is meant to repel midges and doesn't. So ideally I would have liked to move that shelf up, but it didn't want to, so I shall just fill it with containers instead and try and get rid of some of this amazing collection of utter crap. Don't worry, Ellie, you'll be able to see again soon. Well, look, I've managed to make a mess of it already, but hey, I can actually walk through. Excuse all the cardboard. I like having cardboard on the floor because it absorbs fluids as it has done there. But yeah, I don't think that's a bit bad. You notice I've even created some tool storage on the side and pinched some number plates from some of my older cars. There's a number plate of my first ever 2CV, and there she is, B82P. Her chassis went under Misty, that one. Other essential potions include Captain Tolly's Creeping Crack Cure. It really is called that. So I just knocked together a very simple shelf out of bits of old pallet. I think I'm going to need to do more of that because yeah, look how much crap I've got. So that's important progress. And we've got a shelving unit over there as well, the one with the mirror. Still a bit of mess about the place. That's all cardboard for recycling. This area needs a bit of work. I might try and get another shelf unit in there, that would be useful. And the less said about down there, the better. Most of that's going to the tip. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. I think we can call that actual progress. It's day 2 of trying to clear out the garage, and yeah, we're at it again. Yet more recycling and cardboard, yet more scrap metal. I'm onto my second black bag for rubbish already, and there's all sorts in here. There's stickers from the Rover 400, the white one I had several years ago, but I pulled off it and I've still got sitting here in a pile of crap. Bits of tape remnant all over the place. So we're getting there. So far I found a craft knife I'd forgotten I owned, and there's quite a nice looking mat there, so I shall keep going. Well, wowee, isn't that looking a lot better? I can actually walk all the way around the car without treading on tools or anything. So yes, here is my complete mess already. I need to sort through that. I need to sort out some better tool storage. But for now, I think I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, because I think I have right royally deserved it. So there you go. Don't say I don't give you anything. I hope all those who wished I would tidy my garage up will be impressed. It's only tidy by my standards, but that's still incredible. And I've now got much more space to crack on with Project Invacar. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to leave comments below. Give us a share if you're minded to. And I shall see you again in a future video, hopefully with a working Invacar one day. Farewell.